Photography has become an essential part of our life now. The increasing market of smartphones with good cameras have increased it much and more. But to take a good photography, we must need a still movement, means stillness. Especially the cosmic photos cannot be possible without stillness. In this connection, a tripod stand is very necessary. That is I am going to introduce to my YouTube friends. Yes, it is tripod for smartphones or stand for taking photography using smartphones. Here is the packet from Flipkart. As you have seen the packet, you are seeing this packet and I am going to open it. See this barcode. Here is the barcode here. It is quite easy for the reflection, but here is the barcode. I am marking it. I am marking the barcode. Here's the address. Yes, see the address. The delivery address is here. The courier number, the courier name is the courier company name is here. The account all by all here. The next GST and all the peripherals is here. And this is the courier company name. Again, it's barcode. And finally, yes. See, it is the courier company, means the company which is providing me the sold project. This is the Flipkart here, and the total system is here. How the company is work? See the working line. See by see here. Flipkart has shown clearly how his company is working through your mobile application to your home. And I am going to unbox the packet. This is the packet here. I am cutting one corner, then I am inserting my scissor. Yes, I am inserting my scissor and cutting it clearly. Yes, you have something causes for the layer. See, the spongy part is opened. See, it's tightly packed, very tightly packed. This tightly packed is for keeping intact the tripod, I think. Yes, I am opening the part. I am opening the tape as well. The tape is opened and my tripod is going to be opened here. I means the tripod pack. Yes, it is at least opened. Yes, almost opened. But here are some peripherals. Yes, and yes, here it is. See the packet. I am keeping aside it. And now the spongy packet. The spongy packet is to keep it intact. This sponge, yes, the poly sponges are quite flexible and very flexible to keep the pack intact. Yes, I am keeping aside it also. See first this, and I am keeping aside it. Now I am coming to my main item. This is the tripod. Here is the all details: 3-way head, articulated quick delivery lock, and by the by, see, and here and here it is. See it is clearly now. See it clear? 3-way head, built-in level, means the level is also here. 4-section aluminium legs, quick level lock, all is here. See it? A tripod 3110. Quick lever lock is also here. Lever lock to keep your mobile intact in its place. Yes, fixed in its place. And the movements are here. Various movements of tripod is here. The weight 424 gram. See, and it is made in China. The tripod 3110, the item. And here the hand. And I am going to open it. Yes. See, I am going to eat later, but I am opening. See what it is. See the tripod. The tripod is backed into a bag. Yes. Like project bag. Yes, it is the tripod. Quite smooth and clear here. Yes, here it is. I am going to fix it, and I'll show you how to fix it. You can see the handle is for movement, and see the green color label here. The label is to label your camera, means your mobile as it is used. See the label. All the lugs peripherals is here. Now I am tighten the part. It is to hold the mobile. This part is to be tightened. Yes, by screwing I am tightening it. I am screwing and it is to be tightened. See, I am screwing and it is going to be tightened. And the back screw is used to tighten more and more, fixed, and it is fixed here. As it is fixed, it's quite fixed, and I am going to upper side, and it is taking, you can, yes, I am increasing the height here. This is the screw for the tight. Yes, see, it will tighten your all movement. Say it is going to be tightened. So here the handle is showing in front of you. The handle, yes, it is quite flexible, see, but I have to tighten it before taking photos, and how to do it I am showing you. See here, I am showing you how to do it. That is these shadows are for night video, and this is I am going to, yes, here I am inserting my phone here. But it is loose and I have to tighten it. How I am going to see, by screwing it I can tighten it. Yes, I am screwing it and it is quite tightened, and by the bar it is here. See the shadows, and it is the handle, you have to tighten it. Yes, you can see the label also here. It is seen. Yes, see, it is quite trendy here. Yes, the movement by using the handle. See, all is here, and you have to keep the camera lens clear. Obviously, you must take good photo. If you want to take good photo, you must clear the camera lens as it is. Is here, all is here. It is ready to take photo now. It is almost ready. See the front part, see the back part, and all it is. And bye bye.